There you go. It's a wreck, but we've handled worse. Big issue now is just getting it on the truck. Coming?
I push it to you, right?
Yeah, pull it towards yourself down. Yeah, you got it. Oh, you got it. Excellent. I see smoke coming up on the top. Look, this engine turns. See? You can hear the pistons turning inside. That means this engine is good. So we don't have to worry about looking for another engine. All we need to do is get this engine installed on that chassis over there with these motor mounts. This is what's left of the New Hampshire Jeep, stripped down, and now we're sending it out to the shop. We're going to save the wheels, the axle, drive shaft, the transaxle and transmission, obviously the shifts and all that, the steering column, brakes, pedals, gas pedal, engine, front axle, front suspension, rear suspension, and then we'll also need these motor mounts that are for the Hurricane 6 engine. The engine, my understanding, runs, it turns, so I think we're in good shape. But this will be the last time I more or less record this in a condition that it looks like an actual Jeep. If you're watching, we just basically took out all the hardware behind the dashboard this afternoon, including the heater box. Get that section right there.